Dogelon Mars, Elon, is going to go explanatory, says one powerhouse. The ongoing siphon in the worth of altcoins could lead, amidst a macroeconomic climate portrayed by quantitative fixing, to a lessening in liquidity and, possibly, a diminishing in the worth of resources. Quantitative fixing alludes to the cycle by which national banks lessen the cash supply available for use, normally by auctioning off resources or raising loan fees. In this way, that is not a generally excellent picture for a wide range of enterprises that need to help their capital. In spite of the fact that Elon Musk isn't engaged with Elon, its symbolic cost can see huge cost spikes when Musk stands out as truly newsworthy. For instance, when Musk made his arrangement to purchase Twitter last month, the coin momentarily took off on the news just to pull back. This peculiarity is a virtual entertainment craze in real life. This Dogelon Mars value forecast will assist you with settling on clever crypto decisions to add to your portfolio, not through excited reaction. At the point when dogecoin experienced gigantic development, many individuals became keen on it and other image coins. What's more, another image coin motivated by dogecoin, which likewise encountered a colossal ascent, was Shiba Inu. Regardless, Shiba Inu has outperformed dogecoin with regards to showcase capitalization. Elon, otherwise known as Dogelon Mars, is a Doge-themed symbolic task meaning to reproduce dogecoin's prosperity. Doge, while referring to Elon Musk's vision to colonize Mars. Dogelon Mars, a somewhat fresher and less settled resource, could offer more potential for cost appreciation. Moreover, a feeling of dread toward passing up a great opportunity may drive interest for this crypto resource. You can acquire from this situation assuming you as of now hold the resource well in front of the rising wave. All in all, what to do? How much is Elon worth? The present Dogelon Mars cost is $3.30 E7 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,035,347. Dogelon Mars is down 6.63% as of now. The ongoing market cap positioning is number 127, with a live market cap of $182,139,698. It has a circling supply of 551,465,789,124,062 Elon coins and a maximum supply of 1 quadrillion Elon coins. Dogelon Mars' unequaled high is $0.000003. This ATH was arrived at on 30 October 2021. The all-out current stock of Dogelon Mars is 548 trillion, from its beginning complete inventory of 1 quadrillion. Regardless of whether it appreciates, given the high volume of Dogelon Mars, it would be doubtful to reach 1 cent. However, who can say for sure? What is Dogelon Mars, Elon? Dogelon Mars is alluded to as the interplanetary money. It keeps on being one of the image coins with heaps of potential in regards to cost. Dogelon Mars has kept up with its steadiness, in spite of the digital currency market's unpredictability, and its cost is supposed to increment in 2022, and then some. The image coin has ridden a rush of notoriety via virtual entertainment, and could arrive at United States dollars 0.010 soon. It is vital for realize that Dogelon Mars is a nearly new image coin, a fork of Dogecoin. Besides, there is an unmistakable person behind each image coin, so for Dogelon, it is a shuttle-wearing canine. Besides, Dogelon was named after Mars, which is articulated as canine elon. Dogelon Mars is viewed as a local area-driven digital currency, guaranteeing it will improve continually. On the Dogelon Mars site, an animation canine in a spacesuit is climbing, addressing that Dogelon Mars will encounter an enormous vertical development. Elon is the authority badge of Dogelon Mars. Be that as it may, Elon is an ERC-20 computerized resource in light of the Ethereum blockchain, sent off in April 2021. The token was named after Elon Musk, a firm devotee to digital forms of money. Past its tomfoolery name, Dogelon Mars has a decidedly vigorous local area behind it. Today, it has an excess of 300,000 Twitter adherents and in excess of 84,000 supporters on Wire. Since it is a fair general digital money, there was no pre-sale of the Elon coins. Notwithstanding, 10 trillion coins have been made in the wake of sending half to Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave his commitment to good cause and the coronavirus help asset. The accompanying half of Elon tokens have been secured in the Uniswap liquidity pool, as Elon and ETH matches. Dogelon Mars specialized examination. Dogelon Mars cost activity in the previous month shows a preceded with bull activity. The token has been in serious areas of strength for since January 18, 2023. when it started exchanging at a low of $0.0000003315. From that point forward, the symbolics cost has expanded reliably and as of late exchanged at $0.0000004193. Dogelon Mars costs have varied from $0.0000003878 low to $0.0000004287 high, with record-setting paces all around. The token has been in areas of strength for us since mid-January, with the cost consistently getting through obstruction levels as it moves ever more elevated. The cost of Dogelon Mars is exchanging over every one of the moving midpoints, demonstrating that the pattern is bullish and it is available to purchase energy. The 50-day moving normal MAMA line presently exchanges over the 200-day MAMA line, demonstrating major areas of strength for A. The specialized pointers on the month-to-month, everyday, and 4-hour diagrams show a bullish market opinion for the token. The month-to-month RSI dwells at the overbought zone at 83, showing that the token can go higher before a pullback happens. Also, the MACD isn't in the bullish area over the zero line and the histogram is blue, which demonstrates that more purchasers are entering the market. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023. The Dogelon Mars cost gauge for 2023 is elon cryptographic money to exchange at the very least cost of $0.00000052 and a typical value estimate of $0.00000054 with a most extreme exchanging cost of $0.00000063. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024. As per the Dogelon Mars cost gauge for 2024, the Dogelon Mars worth could arrive at least $0.00000079 and a typical cost of $0.00000082. The most extreme cost conjecture is supposed to be $0.00000093 consistently. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. Our Dogelon Mars cost figure for 2025 proposes that the elon digital currency could achieve a base worth of $0.00000111 and a typical cost of $0.00000115. The greatest anticipated exchanging cost for Dogelon Mars would be $0.00000135. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. The Dogelon Mars cost forecast for 2026 proposes the Dogelon Mars cost is supposed to accomplish at least $0.00000158 and a typical cost of $0.00000164 with a most extreme exchanging cost of $0.00000193. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. In view of our Dogelon Mars cost figure for 2027, the elon coin is supposed to exchange at the very least degree of 0.00